How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the PatriotDIY channel. In this video we're going to show you how to build a simple cross. Now chances are if you're looking to build something like this, it's probably not a very happy time in your life, but getting out in the shop and building something nice with your hands, a nice monument or grave marker, can be pretty therapeutic for you. So in this video we're going to show you step by step how we built this, and if you find this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button down below, hit that notification bell, and give us a thumbs up. Let's get to it. For this project we just need one 8-foot 4x4, and we're going to cut that down at the miter saw into one 30-inch section and one 5.5-foot section. Once we have it cut down to size, we're going to turn our miter saw to a 45-degree angle, and we're going to cut our pyramid into each end. You can do that by making your first cut to the center and then just rotating your post each time to make the additional cuts. If you're careful to keep everything in the same position, you should come out with a nice symmetrical pyramid on each end. Next thing we're going to do is cut some notches into these posts so we can fit the two pieces together. Now there is two different ways to do this, and I'm going to show you both ways. The first is on the table saw, and we're going to set our depth and then use the miter gauge to make these cross cuts. Now we're going to make this in several passes, one at a time, just moving that post slightly each time. This could be done a little faster using a dado stack if you have one of those available. The other way to do this is just with a simple circular saw and a speed square. We're going to use that speed square to make sure we're getting straight cuts, and we're just going to run that circular saw along the edge of that speed square, and we're just going to move this down about 1/8 of an inch at a time as we go. Once we have this series of slits cut into the post, you can use a chisel to break those off and then to clean up your notch. And then we're just going to sand it down and test fit it. A nice touch could be to write out the letters or whatever type of wording you want on your cross, and then use a plunge router with a straight bit to cut out those letters. Now we can sand everything down and give it a nice smooth finish. Now we're ready to fit our two pieces together, and we're going to be joining this with some wood glue, and once we have it into place, we'll put 2 screws into the back just to hold it together. Now, to make this look even nicer and to help protect the wood from the elements, we're going to be putting a coat of stain on here. And once that stain's had a chance to dry, we're going to go back and paint the inside of our letters with some black paint just so they stand out. And then we'll go back over the whole thing with a few coats of spar urethane. And I think the end result is a nice looking monument that your family member or pet could be proud of. Alright guys, that's it for how to build a simple cross or grave marker. I hope this video has helped you out. If you have any questions, make sure you leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.